Okay, good morning, students. Hello,
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
good morning. Okay, so I think now we should start. Okay, because after they will join, in time there will be problem. Okay. Okay, first I will start with Ajay Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Good
Ajay.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
My topic is freedom of press in India. The press is the voice of the people. It is considered to be the voice of the voiceless. The press existed even before independence, and it certainly proves that any sort of media or press is by the people of the state, not by the ruling body. The press acts as a bridge between the government and the people, as it tends to inform people about the functions performed by the government. The freedom of press is nowhere mentioned in the Indian Constitution. The right to freedom of speech and expression is provided in Article 19 of the Indian Constitution. It is believed that freedom of speech and expression in Article 19 of the Indian Constitution include freedom of press. But in India, the Constitution does not have a separate article for a freedom of the press in Constitution like United States. According to RASF report 2021 World Press Freedom Index produced by Reporters Without Borders RSF, a French NGO, has again placed India at 142 rank out of 180 countries. The RSF report says India is one of the world's most dangerous countries for journalists trying to do their job properly. They are exposed to every kind of attack, including violence against reporters, abuses by political activists, and reprisals instigated by criminals, group, or corrupt local officials. The press is the defender and the protector of the rights and liberties of the people. But it can be perform this role only if it enjoys freedom in publishing news, views, and reporting. It can function effectively only in an open society where decisions are made in a democratic manner. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, very good. You have told very nice point that a press can only show what it's the country what is happening in the democratic. I like that point very much. Okay. Next
Thank you.
one. Aryan Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Aryan.
Good morning, respected ma'am and my dear friend. I am Aryan Kumar from Mechanical Branch. Today I am here to represent my views on the topic freedom of press in India. Press is not just the medium through which people get general knowledge, worldwide awareness, information of what's happening inside or outside the nation, but also the medium responsible for shaping our views and opinions. The freedom of people is monitored by the media. The press watches those in power to ensure they do not misuse it. In order to do this, freedom of press is required. The press has been given this responsibility of checking and balancing the administration and the government. Whenever corruption or any another means of violence happen, the press is the first one to raise a voice. Moreover, we trust the press because they collect the data, verify and spread the facts and figure which influence people decision. If the press would not have the liberty to do all this, then the people will be in dark. When the government imposes censorship on the press, it obviously means they are trying to hide something. A person only hides lies, not the truth. Thus, in this way, the citizen will be manipulated into thinking that there is nothing wrong with the government. Subsequently, when there is no agency to report the truth, the government will gain absolute power. Media without any restriction can be dangerous. The perfect example of this situation is the Mumbai attack on November 26, when the rapid action Force, Marine Commandos, and the National Security Guard surrounded the Taj Mahal. Mostly all of the news channels were covering this news. The terrorists knew exactly what was going on outside and were able to plan their defense accordingly. The job of the commandos became more difficult as they tried to defect the territory terrorists and rescue hostages. After the event, the Supreme Court said that the media has been extremely irresponsible and risks the lives of not only rescue team but also the hostages. There is uh, there can be no doubt that a strong and free press is crucial to be functioning of any government. Unfortunately, news media depend on rating to generate revenue. Sometimes it has been found misleading the people with the false information given by the ruling party to promote themselves. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. It was quite long, but good. Neeraj Niranjan. Neeraj
Yes, ma'am.
Niranjan. Yeah,
मैम
yeah.
मैम थोड़ा देर में बोलूं
Oh, मैंने तो सैटरडे को ही दे दिया था टॉपिक। सैटरडे 5:30 बजे टॉपिक मिला था आपको।
यस मैम
तो फिर थोड़ी देर में क्या बोलोगे? 2 दिन में क्या किया? 2 दिन में क्या किया?
सॉरी मैम
अटेंडेंस नहीं बनेगा तो बोलोगे कि मैम अटेंडेंस आज बना दो। क्लास में खाली आना है, नाम दिखाना है
LMS नहीं खोलना मैम।
है ना? जब बोलने का रहेगा तो मैडम थोड़ा देर बाद बोलेंगे।
मैम बोलेंगे लेकिन
बोलिए, इतना दिन से क्या किए आप? फ्रॉम सैटरडे टू टिल नाउ व्हाट यू हैव डन, यू टेल अबाउट दिस वन और you tell me
मैम
about this one only.
I have seen your link but I haven't seen your given topic. I thought today's class you will take class normal that
Normal, how it will be? When you have seen my link, you know Monday
yes ma'am I
is discussion.
sorry
है ना?
ma'am
अभी एलएमएस में अटेंडेंस में एब्सेंट मारेंगे, वो दिखेगा कि मैडम ने एब्सेंट मारा है। Definitely it will show to you that मैडम ने एब्सेंट मार दिया। लेकिन मैडम का टॉपिक नहीं दिखता है यहाँ।
मैम ध्यान नहीं दिए थे सॉरी
शुभाशिनी, आज का तेरा एक एब्सेंट बनेगा निरंजन। गॉट इट?
हेलो मैम,
मैम
अटेंडेंस
तो
LMS नहीं
बोलेंगे
खुल रहा।
ना
बोलोगे जब तक। अटेंडेंस अभी एलएमएस नहीं खुल रहा है, एलएमएस खुलेगा कर लेना 90 तक टाइम। ओके शुभाशिनी,
Good morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग।
Freedom of the press in India. It has been said that the price of liberty is eternal vigilance. The institution that maintains the vigil is the press or the media. In other words, if the people are to be free, it is the job of the media to ensure that it keeps a watch on those in power in whose hands the freedom lies. In order to do so, press that is free of any outside influences or influencer is absolutely vital. The press has a responsibility to act as check and balance for the administration and the government. It is the press that raises its voice against social ills, malpractices, corruptions, and operations. It is also the press that gathers, verifies, and distributes events, facts, and information that allow the people of a country to make sound judgments. However, none of this is possible if the press itself is silenced or if its voice is only allowed when those in power permit. The information that comes from the press at such a time becomes suspect. Worse yet, the press may not be allowed to report news or express opinions that run contrary to what the people in power want. This means the citizenry that is woefully uninformed and therefore powerless. This is not mere speculation. Time and time again, recent history has proven that censorship of the press is one of the most common features of a dictatorship. The censorship may not even be direct or obvious at first. A government may often start by discrediting the news media and what is being reported. It is stridently reinforced the notion that the media cannot be trusted by undetermining the news and facts that the media presents to the public. This is when the media begins to exercise self-censorship to avoid outrage manufactured by the government. As time passes, this self-censorship may become more ingrained or such distrust for the news media may develop among the people that they call for the government to intervene. Of course, once the media is muzzled, there is no one to report truth. In the absence of those truths, the citizenry has no power to effect the necessary changes and the government regains supreme. At last, I want to conclude that no right is absolute. This is true even for the right to freedom of speech or expression. However, the right does exist, and as long as it does, the power lies in the hands of the people. Since the freedom of the press also falls under this right, it is clear that the press is the tool that indirectly protects all other rights that a people may enjoy. Curbing the freedom of the press is thus curbing the freedom of the people. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Next, Srishti Priya.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Today, my topic is freedom of press in India. For the betterment of a country, the administration should be monitored, and the press does it. The press plays a huge role in shaping the views of the people. It is a medium through which the truth is revealed, but it cannot operate successfully if restricted. The mediums of the press are printed media, electronic media, etc. Using these mediums, the truth is conveyed to the public. Freedom of press is required to monitor those in power so that the freedom of people is maintained in a country. The people in power are monitored by the press so that they don't misuse it, as it might happen that the press is governed by the people in power like politicians, social levels like corruption, discrimination, and oppression exist. Press is like the voice of a common people. So in nations where freedom of the press doesn't exist, the people remain in the dark of the unknown. And if the press is censored, that means the freedom of speech of the citizens is also lost. In my conclusion, I want to say that for keeping people informed about the significant incidents of locality, nation, and the world, the freedom of press is required. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Next one is Aniket Kumar Raj. Aniket Kumar Raj. Aniket Kumar Raj, please speak. Right now you have joined, Aniket. Please speak on the topic. Otherwise, I will put you again in the waiting room. If you will not unmute yourself.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah. Say about the topic. Shafiq Anjuman.
Yes, ma'am.
This boy is not going to speak, so now Shafiq Anjuman.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Shafiq.
Good morning, ma'am.
Aniket, will you speak? Aniket, will you speak? Okay, Safiq Anjuman, please go ahead.
Okay, ma'am. Today's topic is freedom of press in India. India is considered to be a country having freedom of press. The success of the democracy is directly related with the freedom of press. Freedom of press implies that entitlement of expressing opinions with any constraint. Moreover, it is also regarded as necessary condition of a true democracy. In a democratic country, the newspaper must not be under direct control of government. There the newspaper should be allowed to criticize the actions and decisions of the government. It is the duty of press to make a government gets much beneficial to the people. The press also has responsibility to make the people evolve socially and politically. If, as a result, they get more sensible to their situations, they people can vent their grievance through newspaper also. In fact, a free press ensures liberty of the press in free country, but in reality, the press is not free. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Next one. Neeraj Niranjan. Neeraj Niranjan.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah,
Good morning, ma'am.
yeah, good morning.
Today's topic is freedom of press in India. Freedom of press is the most important will of democracy. Without free press in a democracy, it
Democratic.
cannot
Democratic.
democracy, ma'am.
Okay.
In fact, the press is the great medium to convey the truth of the people. Here, the question arises: what is the responsibility of a free press? A free press has a huge responsibility of reporting the truth and shaping people's opinion. Responsible journalism must be practiced to stop people from spreading hate and maintaining the harmony of the country. So, at last, I am concluding my point.
How many points
Uh,
given? I don't think it is
uh,
like 1 minute also.
Well, in few minutes, how much I can prepare.
Very good. Don't see the topic from the next Monday also. Okay, I will also not see your name also. Next, Manish Kumar. Manish Kumar. Manish Kumar from CSC. Hope you
Yes,
are.
ma'am.
Yeah. Please speak.
Ma'am,
Not prepared? Need some more time?
not ma'am. Prepared in next Monday, ma'am.
Next Monday. Okay, please leave the
Sorry, ma'am.
classroom. Thank you for joining.
Yes, ma'am.
Please leave the classroom.
Yes.
Aniket Kumar. Aniket Kumar. Okay. He also not prepared, so he has also left. Okay. Neetu Kumari.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Neetu.
Good morning, everyone. Today's topic is freedom of press in India. In India, freedom of press is implied from the freedom of speech and expression guaranteed under Article 19(1)(a) of the Constitution of India. Article 19(1)(a) says that all citizens shall have the right to freedom of speech and expression. Freedom of the press is the most important will of democracy. Without a free press, a democracy cannot exist. In fact, the press is the great medium that conveys the truth to people. However, it cannot function fully if the press is not free. People must have heard the saying about the cost of freedom is eternal vigilance. Thus, it is the media responsibility to remain vigilant for the people's safety. Moreover, the freedom of people is monitored by the media. The press watches those in power to ensure they do not misuse it. In order to do this, freedom of press is required. Freedom of press is important for the smooth functioning of democracy. It is most important for the people to be socially aware of happenings in the world. One must have the power to criticize the government. It will keep the administrations on their toes to do better for the country. As we conclude from the earlier statement, the press has a huge responsibility on their soldiers. They need to be vigilant and honest. Media has a power role to play in any form of government, whether democratic or a totalitarian. The information they distribute help in shaping the views of people, of the public. When you have such a power to influence the views of whole public, then you must be even more responsible. In fact, the media is sometimes more powerful than the government. They have people's trust and support. However, such a power given to any individual or agency is a quite danger. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Next, Mosaic. Mosaic.
Ma'am, may I?
Shishir, after
ma'am.
I have already told Mosaic name.
Good morning, everyone. Today's topic is freedom of press. To preserve the democratic way of
Something, Mosaic, 1 minute, just wait. See, now LMS is not working. I don't know, some
Yes, ma'am.
connection issue is there for the from the college, because I am using my own hotspot. Okay. So I have already marked your 13 names, 12 people names. Okay, I will mark your attendance. The previous QR code I will delete, or I will make that one only, but I will mark your attendance. Okay, so no need to worry. This 12 people, I have the screenshot with you also, and I have also noted down the names who are present in the class. So no need to worry. This 12 of you. Okay. Okay. Please, Mosaic, go ahead.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Today's topic is freedom of press. To preserve the democratic way of life, it is essential that people should have the freedom of express their feelings and to make their views known to the people at large. The press, a powerful medium of mass communication, should be free to play its role in building a strong, viable society. Denial of freedom of the press to citizens would necessarily undermine the power to influence of press is not especially mentioned in Article 19(1)(a) of the Constitution, and what is mentioned there is only freedom of speech and expression. In the Constitution Assembly debates, it was made clear by Dr. Ambedkar, chairman of the drafting committee, that no special mention of the freedom of press was necessary at all, as the press and as far as their right of expression was concerned. The farmers of the Indian Constitution considered freedom of the press as an essential part of the freedom of speech and expression as guaranteed in Article 19(1)(a) of the Constitution. At last, it can be concluded that the freedom of the press is now where mentioned in the Indian Constitution. The right to freedom of speech and expression is provided in Article 19 of the Indian
Okay.
Constitution. It is believed that freedom of
Mosaic,
speech and
stop.
expression in 19.
Mosaic, stop. Okay. Now, I
What, ma'am?
think. Stop. Muskan Dubey.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Good morning, all of you. Today's topic is freedom of press in India. The freedom of press refers to the freedom of using vehicles such as publishing houses or media house to communicate information. The press is the driving force for knowledge. It is the only link between what happens in the world and the public. Through the media, we obtain all information necessary, as it is vital to be aware of what is happening around us. Freedom of press is an integral part of a democracy. The freedom of the press allows the communication of information through published or electronic media. It has three key features. Firstly, freedom of publication. Secondly, circulation. And the last one is access to information. The freedom of the press allows citizens to express their views openly.
Okay.
Sometimes people.
Okay, please. Now,
Thank
Praveen
you, ma'am.
Singh Kuntia, please speak. Praveen Singh Kuntia, please speak.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, speak.
Ma'am, actually, I forgot to prepare, ma'am.
Very good. Leave the classroom. Right now you have joined. Leave the classroom. And no need to mark your attendance. Leave the classroom first. Because these people are joining right now at the end of the class just for marking their attendance. That's why I am admitting one by one and asking them only first. Okay, Shishir.
Good morning, everyone. Today's topic is freedom of press in India. Freedom of press is considered to be one of the four pillars of democracy. Without a free press, a democracy cannot exist. The press is a great medium that conveys the truth to the people. Excuse me. The media's responsibility to remain vigilant for people's safety. The freedom of press allows the communication of information through published or electronic media. It has three key features: freedom of publication, circulation, and access to information. The media is an essential part of any country as it brings news from around the world to the public. The freedom of press allows citizens to express their views openly. Thus, freedom of press is required. The freedom of speech under Article 19 is among the fundamental rights. The freedom of speech embodies the liberty of expression and thought. The freedom of press comes under the section 19(1)(a) of Indian Constitution with certain restrictions.
Shishir, are you not well?
No, ma'am, my throat is sore.
Okay. Okay, Shishir, stop. I will come next to Ayush.
Good morning, everyone.
Yeah, Ayush, good morning.
So today's topic is freedom of press in India. India is considered to be the country having freedom of press. In the constitution, it is nowhere mentioned, especially about a free press in the country. The right is safeguarded by one of the fundamental rights, that is freedom of speech, Article 19(a) of Indian Constitution. In India's struggle of independence, press had a major role to play. It was the voice of the common man against oppression. The only choice Britishers had was to curb the freedom of press through Vernacular Press Act, which fueled the agitation even more. Due to its immense outreach and its freedom of expression, it is considered to be the fourth pillar of the democracy in India, as it keeps us informed about good and the bad in the society, in the governmental and non-governmental institutions. Different policies and their implications, etc., as the common man cannot participate directly in the proceeding of parliament, which are going to shape the country's future. It is the press that gives him voice and tells the policy makers the mood of this country. So,
okay, thank you.
Okay.
Ayush, thanks. Next, Satish Gupta. Satish Gupta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Satish.
Good morning, everyone. As we know, our topic is freedom of press in India. So here's my view. Press in India is theoretically free. There are certain online news and views portal that we can say are free. We need to understand that running a newspaper or a channel requires tons of money. It is a capital intensive business. Unless you have enough advertising revenue to support your expenses, you are bound to fail. Salaries, travel, miscellaneous expenses all add up to huge money. Patanjali is a big advertiser, and no money house would like to lose this good chunk of money. Baba Ramdev is a known Modi supporter rather than they support each other. Ditto with Adani and Ambani brothers. Advertising revenue from these corporate houses is very large. If if a channel or or a paper goes against the wishes of government, one of these advertisers tell the concerned media house that their ad contract will be cancelled. Earlier, government used to tell the non-compromising editors or reporters sacked. Now that is also not required. They all know that they need to toe path as defined by supreme leader. So the freedom is there. So the freedom is there, but theoretically, not actually. Not freedom is actually completely missing. If we
Hey,
look
1 minute,
there,
all of you. Hello.
yes, ma'am.
Stop now. Praveen Singh Kuntia. Praveen Singh Kuntia.
Yes, ma'am.
Will you speak?
Yeah, ma'am. I don't have the previous topic, but the previous.
Okay,
means
all of you
I
mark your
don't have that
attendance in
yesterday.
the LMS. It's working now. Mark
Ma'am.
your attendance. I will check it from there. Praveen, speak.
Yeah, ma'am. Yesterday's topic I don't have, but I have the previous one.
Why you have the previous one? I have already shared the topic. Yes, Saturday only.
Yeah, ma'am. I didn't see that.
You didn't see that? Please leave the classroom. I don't want. I have already explained you previously. Don't attend the class if you have not prepared.
The previous one also I haven't said.
Previous also you haven't said. Very good. First.
Yeah.
All of you
So
mark
can
your
I do it?
attendance. Later on, no one will tell me.
Ma'am.
Yeah, Praveen, first.
Okay. A very good morning to everyone. Myself, Praveen Singh Kuntia, is here on the topic social attitude and the confident. Attitude and character are two words that appear similar in the sense, but strictly speaking, there is a difference between the two. Attitude is the opinion or the mention or the method by which one approaches a given situation. Character, on the other hand, makes one to do a particular thing even if the world is watching. Character is very essence of a particular man. It is indeed what the person is within. It is not liable to change. Attitude is liable to change according to the situation. It is, after all, a kind of surface emotion. One of the
Okay,
main difference
please
between
stop.
attitude and the character.
Please
Yeah, ma'am.
stop. Are you able to see the QR code?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So please give your attendance. Because after that, no one can say that when I'm not opening, it's error. I've already shared the screen. You can mark your attendance over here. Okay? Completed?
What, ma'am? Attendance or my speech?
Have you
Hello,
given
ma'am.
your attendance? What you are saying? Please tell me. Praveen?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I was asking whether you're asking about the speech or this attendance. Okay,
I
ma'am. Fine.
told you to stop your topic and all of you give your attendance.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'm sharing. Now I'm stop the sharing. Now, next I am just telling about today's attendance they are present in the class. Okay, who are there in the class? I am just telling about the names. The Ajay Kumar, Aryan Kumar, Neeraj Niranjan, Shubhasni Surbi, Srishti Priya, Aniket Kumar Siraj, Shafiq Anjuman, Manisha is not told. Okay. Neetu Kumari, Muzaid Alam, Shubhasni Surbi, Muskan Dubey, Parveen Singh Kuntia, Pankaj, Shishir Gupta, Ayush Kumar, and Satish Gupta. Okay. These students are there whose attendance will be marked. And rest no one attendance will be marked. Those who are giving, they might give, but their attendance will be not marked because I don't think that anyone is left right now. Anyone is left? Is anyone is left? No one. Pankaj Kumar Shahu. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you marked your attendance right now? And Neeraj Niranjan. This fellow used to say me, madam, attendance bhul gaye na. Neeraj, have you marked your attendance? Hello, Neeraj Niranjan. I don't know. Okay. Now I am speaking something to you people. Freedom of press in India. What does it mean that freedom of press in India? There are certain laws and rules and regulation and laws are there that everyone have to follow. The first one is that they cannot go beyond. A press cannot write anything wrongly for any person or anything about any of the current topics. If they do so, they have to, if people will say they have to, they can case on them. Okay, that time what they have to do? There are certain moral principles they have to follow. They are not so much free that they will write anything about any person uselessly and unnecessarily. First thing, they have to show the truth. What is the truth? It is being to the public. It has to be shown. They cannot write anything wrongly, anything beyond the topic. Because if they do so, we public have the right to do some or take some legal actions. Next one, what do you mean by the right of freedom of the press? That means that you have the right of expression. There are certain types of rights of expression that we have. Now, if I will say what is the right of action, there are certain laws, there are certain amendments, certain types of rules and regulations. Before publishing, they all have to look and take care of that. Next one. Do I can write anything on any people? If I have some, what I said, if you are my enemy, if you are my opponent, I will give some money to the press. Do they can write anything on me? No, they can't. There are certain limits. There are some barriers that each one have to follow. Okay. Next part. What are those laws? What are, if I am not a certified, recognized press media, then I cannot write or publish anything.